Dear Pixie, you were asked the question, what are the names of the 4 original races that genetically created the human? The humans on Earth today are a vast genetic cocktail of many different extraterrestrial beings. Humans are, in a way, a storehouse for all the genetic possibilities in the cosmos, and that is why so many different species and families are interested in you. The 4 main genetic types, and this term is not quite correct as many different genetics are woven together, but to separate them into 4 for ease of understanding, they are a humanoid being with feline type DNA. They resemble a cat or a lion, but they are humanoid. They are technologically and scientifically advanced, and they carry keys of knowledge. A very human-looking humanoid type with bigger and brighter eyes. They mostly have blonde or blondish red hair. They are alchemists, shapeshifters, practiced in magic and sacred geometry, and they carry keys of will. The reptilian humanoid, resembling a reptilian, but they are humanoid, not reptiles. Some of these beings have a military mentality and come from the energy of control and power. They carry keys of darkness, but not all these beings. There are other reptilian humanoids of love and compassion, and they are of the light. A bird-type humanoid. They have bird-like features, but they are humanoid. They are spiritual beings that are able to switch to a multi-dimensional light body at will. They bring healing energy and carry keys of light. These beings and their families are as real as you are. But for those who wish to explore deeper realities than those perceived with just the 3rd dimensional eye, know that reality itself, which is totally unexplainable in all its completeness and glory to the human brain, one must bypass the brain and feel that of which we, speak. I speak to you now as one multi-dimensional being who encompasses the all. I am imparting the knowledge of reality as near as I can from my perspective, simply because my human conduit asked for this knowledge. All truths are there for he who asks with a pure and enlightened heart. All truths are shown to any being who wishes for this knowledge. Truths come as the human vessel is ready. Nothing is brought to the human vessel that would cause a reaction of fear. Hence the reason why so many of the truths we impart to our human vessels are enshrouded in what seems like mystery. In fact, they are clues and metaphors. It is done this way so that each human vessel will see and hear in the messages that which they are ready to see and hear. Know then that these extraterrestrial energies of which I speak are as real as you are. Moving deeper within the veil of that which you know as reality, I would like to show you the very fabric of the all that is. The cosmic web of intelligence, the universal grid that comfortingly and lovingly supports all matter. We speak from that grid. I am that grid. We speak from the unified field. I am that unified field, for I am that I am. The grid of consciousness creates all matter. This is done in conjunction, a partnership as it were, with the human electrical conduits living on Earth, that is you. We shape our realities together when we know how to create. The grid will create archetypal, real, multidimensional life forms, with or without physical matter bodies as they are needed. Each are assigned to the different levels of the human reality experience Therefore, if a human is creating on a positive, bliss-charged electrical level of service to others, the light workers, then that human is in perfect alignment with the cosmic grid of consciousness. If a human is not aware of the spiritual higher realms and is caught up in the holographic illusion of the matrix reality that is Earth, and if he or she vibrates with negative emotional charges, such as fear and all its subsidiary relative emotions, or is electrically charged with the service to self thought frequency, then an appropriate archetypal energy being will be assigned to that human in order to direct its creative charges into the appropriate place. Some humans consciously work with the service to self archetypal energies that come from the other side of the grid. In truth, the grid has no sides, but this is a good analogy to explain the positive and negative charged archetypes. These consciously working service to self human beings are those we call dark workers.